Bon appetit. Oh my gosh. Okay. You're in a pinch. You're going to entertain, and you need an appetizer that's quick, amazing, and delicious. So what we're making tonight is baked brie, and it's going to have some onion, some garlic, some Herbs de Provence, which is a herb from the south of France, some honey, some good olive oil, pepper, a brie or a Camembert. You need a round bread. This is called the French round. And that's it. It's easy. So the first step is really, we're going to chop up the garlic, we're going to chop up the onion, and we're going to saute it. But first I'm going to show you how we're going to cut the bread. So this is the lid, and you can just put it back together after you take the cheese out. And you're just going to hold it on top, and you're going to go with an angle cut. And you're just going to go all the way around. And this is delicious. You're going to love this. All the way around. Oh, there we go. And you're going to pull it out. And you're going to dig a little bit. Take some out like that. Okay, so it looks like that. Now, check to see if your brie fits. And it's a little off. Turn it around. Check the other way. Oh, look at that. Nice fit. See that? Okay. Now, take your brie back out. There we go. Oh. And what we're going to do is we're just going to take some slices in it. Like that. And you're going to go about halfway through. And turn it. And then lighter cuts on the other side. And you're just going to do like a checkered pattern. Okay? Just like that. Now, before you put the brie back in, or the Camembert, I'm going to put a little olive oil at the bottom there. I'm going to take a little bit of Herbs de Provence, which is that southern French herb you can find in your grocery store in the States. This is the one with lavender in it. We want that flowery. Oh yeah, we do want that. And then I'm just going to drop just a little bit of pepper at the bottom. And, oh, which way was that? Which way? There we go. And we're going to push this down with my fingers. Okay, push them to the side. Now, you're going to take your blade and you're going to cut slits all the way around. And take your time, but it just makes it easier for people when you put this on a platter, for people to tear pieces and dip it in the cheese. Doesn't that sound amazing? All right, so I'm going to continue doing this all the way around, but in the meantime, I'm going to take my onion and my garlic, and I got 2 garlic cloves here, and I'm just going to thinly slice these, and that's it. Dice it up. Beautiful. And it can be rough like that. It's fine. If you don't like garlic, you can put a little less, but it's wonderful. All right, now the onion, I'm just going to slice this. And actually, let's get this burner on. I want it about a low, very low, medium, lower than more medium. I'm going to put some olive oil in here. And this is just regular olive oil. It's not extra virgin. What I'm putting on the brie is going to be extra virgin. All right, chop this up, and dice it, and I probably will edit this out so you don't see this part. Maybe I'll keep it. I don't know. We'll see. You guys let me know. Is this helpful if I show you how to dice something? Because I'm getting like two versions. People saying, I know how to, chop up an onion. And then I ask the people that say, it's helpful for me to see how you do it. Let me know. I guess the people can always, that know how to do this, can fast forward this part. And like the people that don't know, get the education. All right. Now you want to chop your onions. That's probably a bit too much onion. That's okay. I won't put it all in there. I'll save some for another dish. Yeah, that's probably a little bit too much. Okay, so let's saute everything and drop those onions in. And I'm going to put it on a low heat for about till they soften. I don't want to brown them. I just want to soften them. So, about 5, 8 minutes, 9 minutes. Okay, in the meantime, when that's cooking, raise that heat a little bit and then lower it. There we go. I'm going to take a little olive oil and grip it in there. A little more. Not too much. I'm going to get my Herbs de Provence. Drop that in there. And I'm going to take a little honey. And I'm going to I've got to get to the bottom here. And I'm just going to, here we go. Drop a little honey. I would say about a tablespoon. You can see my description for an ingredients list. While that's cooking, and that's softening, now I'm going to drop my garlic. Let it do its thing. Let it work. Okay, I need my cutting board back. I need to continue cutting all the way around, and so it's easy for people to just tear a piece apart. I'm liking that. Okay, look how that looks. Now, I'm going to throw this in a baking pan. Just drop it on there. We're going to let that cook, and then we'll be back. And basically, I'm just going to throw that on there and put it in the oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes, and it's done. So hang in there. We'll be right back. All right, we're back. Okay, so this is nice. Look at that color. Just beautiful. Slightly golden, nice caramelization. Now, you're just going to take those onions, don't be shy, throw it all on top there, and the garlic. Oh my God, that's going to be so good. Anyway, now what we're just going to do is we're going to spread that mixture all the way on top, like that. Look at that. And it's going to be bubbly and delicious. So we preheated our oven. I think I'm just going to put a little bit more honey just on the edge and where the bread, and there we go, where the bread and just a tad, not much. And that's going to be my cement. Now I saved the top, and I'm just going to take the bread off of that, like that. So it's just a shell. I don't want it too thick, just like that. Look how pretty that is. And then I'm just going to put that back on top. 20-25 minutes, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is like 200 degrees Celsius. And we're going to throw it in the oven. We'll be back in 20 minutes, and I'll show you what it looks like. Hang in there. Right, it's ready. Let's turn off that oven. Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful that is. So easy to make. And let me tell you. Now, what you want to do is take the lid off and check. If it goes all the way down, beautiful. So now what I'm going to do is push to the side. And I'm going to mix the cheese and onions together like that. Look at how beautiful that is. Now, presentation. I just put the little cap on it and put it on the platter. So let's do that actually. And then what people will simply do is I take the cap off in front of them, and then they take one of these. And look how easy that is. And then they dip and so good. Bonsoir, bon appetit. Subscribe, please. If you like these videos, if not, don't. Comments, I love. Share, whatever you want to do. Anyways, thank you for joining me. Bonsoir, bon appetit.